it going, guys? This is Sam from Leaders RPM. We're out here on our 2024 Centurion RI245 demo. Let me give you a quick walkthrough on how to fill up your ram fill, both port and starboard side. Your ram fill tank is going to be one of the big features of the Centurions, just how quickly those will fill and empty to put a lot of weight in the boat. This boat we're sitting in, your ram fill tanks are going to equal right about 3,000 pounds of ballast added into the boat. They're going to fill in right about 90 seconds and empty just as fast too. So let me show you how easy it is to get them set filled. You can see right now we're empty on all of our ballasts. I'm going to do the ram fill. You have to be moving between 10 to 15 miles an hour to get that filled up. So right now you can see I've got my cruise control 0 off on. Right now it's at 22 miles an hour. I'm going to grab my tab over on this side. I can pull this lever in, drop that down. So I'm going to drop it down to 14 and a half. Pretty happy number, just under 15. Get our ram fill filled up good and quick. Now over on this side here, I'm going to go to my tab screen. I'm going to turn on quick launch. That'll drop my port and starboard tabs down to help keep the nose of the boat down. And I'm going to grab my levers over on this side, pull it down all the way to put my center stinger tab down to 100 as well. That's going to keep the nose of the boat down, helping us not create a really obnoxious big wave while we're filling the ram fill. And if you think about it too, right, if you're going to fill up, let's say, a water bottle with water, pretend this water bottle is the boat. It's easier to fill the water bottle up all the way with water's coming in back here if you have it sitting like this, versus if it's sitting like that. So that's why we're going to go ahead and level the boat out the best we can using our tabs. So I see all my tabs are down, quick launch is on, my cruise control is set to 14 and a half miles an hour. So I'm going to come back here to my ballast screen. I'm going to select my port ram fill, put it in fill. My starboard ram fill, put it in fill. And you see down here now it's going to tell me to increase speed. Got it in gear, so I'm going to get us up to 14 and a half. Alright, now you can see it's starting to fill. It's going to start counting up for us. We're going 14 and a half miles an hour. The nose of the boat is staying down, and there the ram fill goes, counting up. You can see just how quick it's starting to fill, and we are taking on thousands of pounds of water way faster than you'll find on any competitor boat. Alright, we're halfway full now, and we'll keep going until it stops off. Alright, there we go. Our ram fill is stopped off. We can bring the boat back down to idle. We're 100%. So we can bring it back down to idle. Now, say we're out here at our surf spot. I'll show you guys in the next video how you can go and set, activate one of your preset profiles to get your ballast and your tabs figured to where you want to be for surf. I'll see you in the next one.